Hey, friends, it is Wendy with Cannin Plannin, and we are joining me and hopping into doing day number 12 of our craft with me. If you are watching this right this very second and it is not scheduled anywhere, then you are watching me live because I'm actually in my VIP group right this second. If you're watching me later on YouTube, hi to you too. I just wanted to pop in today and say, hey, how's it going? We haven't touched base in person in a hot minute, so I wanted to do that today. But also, I wanted to jump into this cute little cute little setup we're gonna do today. So let me switch our camera over and get going. We are going to be playing in this weekly sampler again today. And I grabbed what was left of our Deco kit, which is this piece, the stickers, and this die cut. And then I grabbed my my card kit because I have a couple of pieces left over from my card kit in strip form that I'm going to be using. That I just like to use all the pieces. So we're going to do that. And then I grabbed my gnome stencil because we're going to do some little mushrooms because they're just cute. All right, you guys, let's hop in and play around and see what we can come up with today for our planning. We are going to be this is a weekly sampler that comes with the tour kit. So if you get the tour bundle and you go on tour with Tool of 12, whether you're a customer or a BA, you're going to get this insert. And we're going to play in this insert, which is the horizontal weekly. It is the aligned version. This is not always one of my favorite ones to play in, but it is here and we are going to use it. So I am going to I have some strips cut already that I'm going to use, but I also want to cut a few more. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab this. Let me see how big these strips are that we have. Okay, so like 1/2 inch. We're going to cut some off of this piece here. We're going to play with this for a little bit. And I'm just going to cut a couple just to make sure that I have some extras if need be. And then we're just going to play with some layering and some stickers, and why not? So I have this one piece is that darker green, and then I have the lighter green. So I think I'm going to put this one down here on the bottom. I'm going to get it the right size. So I'm just going to, I didn't want to use my scissors, so I'm just going to use my stencil to trim this one piece. There we go. And I have some adhesive, so I'm going to go ahead and attach this piece. And I do have a backup because I know I'm going to run out of adhesive. So I'm just going to attach this one piece here. And then we're going to just layer the rest of these greens on here. I might have to cut some more strips, I think. Which you can see that I'm utilizing it just like washi tape. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut a couple more strips. Which makes it fun because then you can use any paper. If you don't have washi tape available in the color that you're looking for, but you have matching paper, you can utilize that paper to make your strips, just like I did here. And these are just 1/2 inch strips. Of course, you can cut them a little bit smaller if you want to, or a little bit bigger, whatever the case may be. And maybe I won't do every single one. Maybe I'll do every other one and then do this and then do that. Yeah, that looks like more fun. So I'm going to go ahead and just attach this piece. That way you can do stickers on the other pieces. So utilizing your paper in this manner, especially if you have strips left over, makes it super fun because you can utilize all the pieces in your cover or in your crafting kit, and you don't have to throw any away, which is always a bonus to not throw away paper. But scraps of paper always make fun little additions. So I'm going to add our little gnome guy on here because he's cute. And I think I'm going to put him off to the side a little bit on our notes section because I'm going to draw myself a little, what is this called? Mushroom. I'm going to draw a little mushroom. And let's just add some dots on there. And then, of course, you have to color it in. So let me get some colors. I just have to remember where I put them. There's the color I'm looking for. Oh, there it is. I'm like, where is the color I'm looking for? This is a Stampin' Right marker. If you have Stampin' Up friends, you need to hook them up, or they need to hook you up, because I love using the Stampin' Up markers in our planners. They're fantastic. We're just going to do a little red cat mushroom with white. You could also do, you know, with yellow. You could do orange. You could do whatever you wanted for your little mushroom. But just another fun way that you can utilize that gnome stencil with its little mushroom on there without having to make the whole thing. And it's the perfect size to go along with the die cuts, because it's right about the size that you want to have to match for your die cuts. So that's always helpful. There we go. Let's just do a little, I'm going to do some, there we go. Okay, so there's our, there's one, and then look, there's these little mushroom houses, so which would go so cute with this, right? So we're going to just utilize this piece up here and maybe add a little gnome guy. This one, and we'll put a gnome house over here. This gnome guy, and then we'll put these two guys over here on Monday and Tuesday. Wait, I don't like that there. We're just gonna move this out of the way because I don't want him to talk to himself. This little gnome guy, I don't want him to talk to themselves, so I'm gonna put him over here, and then we'll put this one like this, so then it looks like they're talking to each other. Ta-da! So now we've used all the stickers. We used the die cut. We used all the paper. This is all the paper that we have left from our, that was from our card kit. And that was from our card kit. But this is all the paper we have left from our mini deco kit. We have used it all in putting together these layouts for the 29 days of crafting. So this is day number 12. We utilized the mini deco kit die cut, paper, and stickers. And then we also used the mushroom on the gnome stencil. So thank you guys for hanging out with me for this quick and fun little setup using our 29 days of crafting with our Gnome and Coffee kits. And if you have enjoyed this, please feel free to share it out. Otherwise, come back and check out what we've got going on for day number 13. See you all soon, friends.